Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable iCloud Drive sharing prompts to prevent workflow friction. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. In the iCloud menu, find and tap on iCloud Drive. Next, look for the Share My Location option. Toggle off the Share My Location switch if it's turned on. Now, go back to the main iCloud Drive settings. Tap on Options next to iCloud Drive. In the Options menu, locate the Optimize Storage setting. Ensure that Optimize Storage is not checked to avoid storage prompts. Return to the iCloud settings and scroll to the bottom. Here, you'll find the iCloud Drive section again. Tap on Manage Storage. Review the apps listed that might be sharing content. To disable sharing for specific apps, tap on the app name. Then, toggle off any sharing options available for that app. This action will help reduce unnecessary iCloud Drive prompts. If you are using a Mac, click on the Apple menu at the top left. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Choose Apple ID and then select iCloud from the sidebar. Uncheck the box next to iCloud Drive if you want to completely disable it. To adjust sharing preferences, select iCloud Drive again. Then click on the Options button beside it. Repeat similar steps to disable sharing features for specific apps. After completing these steps, check that the prompts no longer appear. You have successfully disabled iCloud Drive sharing prompts. Enjoy a smoother workflow without interruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.